What you are seeing on the screen is a Tableau dashboard. On the left side, you have purchase totals by category and seller. In the middle, the same data broken down quarter-wise. And on the right, you can see month-wise details. This dashboard is very useful for analysis. Teams can easily explore and understand the data. But sooner or later, one question always comes up. How do we get all this into one Excel report? This is where the problem kicks in. As shown on the screen, the data is not in one place. It is spread across year-wise, quarter-wise, and month-wise views. When we export this from Tableau, we don't get a single Excel, instead we get different Excels for different worksheets. This is where the tedious and repetitive manual work starts. Downloading all the Excels, stitching them together, and preparing a formatted and branded report. This is prone to human errors, but the business requires a clean, error-free report. This is exactly why we built KRAG. KRAG is the smart bridge between Tableau and formatted Excel. It securely retrieves filtered Tableau data, analyzes and structures it using your templates, and generates a single beautifully formatted Excel report. No manual exports, no copy-paste. One click, one file, one source of truth. This is how reporting should have always been. Now that you've seen the challenge and how KRAG solves it, let's look at a live demo and see it in action. This is the actual dashboard which we already discussed. You can see year-wise data, then quarterly data. Lastly, we have monthly data. Let's go through the KRAG integration process. Go to the edit mode of the dashboard. Click on the floating option. Then you can see the extensions under Object. Drag the extension to the dashboard. Click on the Access Local Extensions, then select the TREX file. TREX is a configuration file for adding a dashboard extension. That's it. Let's publish the workbook. Workbook is published. Let's come out from the edit mode. KRAG extension is ready to use. This extension will incorporate the applied filter as well, while generating report. For instance, let's apply a filter for category. Now click on Generate Report. It will fetch the added category filter from the dashboard and pass it to the RAG server. Now you can see in the KRAG dashboard, the active workbook is being auto-fetched from the extension, along with all the applied filters and parameters. We can also apply custom tags. Select the template. Click on Generate Report. Click on Refresh button. You can see report got generated in 2.66 seconds. You can click on Download button to download report. Report got downloaded. Click on it to open the report. Company logo on the top left. Report name in the middle. January to December data. If you notice carefully, this data is coming only for the categories we selected on the dashboard. Whatever filter we applied there, the exact same data is reflected here in the report. At first we have year-wise data. Then we can see the monthly data. And finally we can see quarterly data, all stitched together. Also you can see all the custom formatting are in place. Ready to automate your reporting? Or see KRAG in action with your own data? Let us show how you can eliminate manual Excel work and deliver custom formatted and branded reports in single click. To book the demo, visit our website kriverra.com or email us at support@kriverra.com. Thank you.